Damian Porter. I'm in the 2-year Welding Fabrication Technician program here at Fleming College. And this is what our last semester was all about. So we were in partners. So I welded this half, my partner welded this half of the vessel, and we've got a whole bunch of different processes here. The structural part down here is mostly going to be your stick welding all around the whole structural steel here and the beams. Our supports for the vessel itself were done with flux core. The joints on top of the vessel were MIG, and then this section up here was all TIG welding. So the program was just one semester. We threw this together between tests and whatnot. Oh yeah, I forgot. This seam here we did with the sub-arc welding. So that was a new experience for everybody here. That was pretty fun. Yeah, so COVID kind of threw a bit of a spin in things, but we got in here lots of time to finish up what we needed to finish up, throw in all our parts, tighten them down, and get it pressure tested. And it passed the pressure test, so I'm pretty